All I did was trusted the universe, trusted my energy, and everything just was put right in front of me, and I'm so grateful. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for pouring so much love on the last video, which was manifestation 3 techniques. And I'm so happy for the kind of response. That was the first video that I put in terms of manifestation. I'm super happy with the response. So I thought it's going to be 2025 soon, and I thought let me just brief you how you can manifest. So there are few techniques and few tips that you can follow genuinely to actually see results in the year 2025. With this, I also mean to say that please start with these techniques sooner. That is, from tomorrow, from today. Do not wait for January 1st. It's now or never. Start it from today, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so number one is make a vision board. Very simple and very clear. Now, all you want is one chart paper. You would need a lot of cutouts of all the visions that you have. I'm going to tell you how you can get it. And also one pen, like colorful crayons or colorful sketch pens, all of those, and a scissor and a fevi stick to stick all the cutouts on the chart paper. So all you have to do is, first thing first, to keep it very easy, I want you to write down at least 11 things that you vision. For example, if you have a vision to get your dream car, your dream house, your dream job, or dream salary, or an income, you want to start a business, you have that vision. If you have a vision to have a child, to get a beautiful partner for your marriage, so all of those you can actually write it down on a paper, and then you can actually go to Pinterest. I'm going to put like clips here to let you know how the cutout should be. So you can actually go to Pinterest and just type all of these, like dream job vision board, and you'll get a lot of cutouts. For example, you can show that you have a lot of money in your hands, right? So you can go and type these things on the vision board. Let me just show you quickly on how you can do it right here. All you have to do it, just type what you want, and then it is going to throw up a lot of pictures. So whatever is your style, you can actually pick that and just download it or just take a screenshot. Now, once you have done that, all you have to do is take those screenshot or the downloads and go to a shop where they print it, get it printed, come back home, take a chart paper, like huge paper, take scissor and your fevi stick, cut those and just stick it on the chart paper, and keep the chart paper in a room where you can see it. This will help you push, and you can actually see that and remember that your goal is to you know to walk through the vision, walk towards the vision. So that's extremely important. Now, number two is visualize your dream. Now, I've already spoken about this in the previous video, but the best way to visualize your vision or your dream is to meditate. All you have to do is sit in a very quiet place and close your eyes. And someone had actually told me this, that the best way to go to the highest level of meditation is to do a reverse counting from 100 to 0 without any distraction. Because most of the time it happens to me also that when I meditate and when I start from 100, I get stuck because a different thought just comes and gets stuck in my like head. So I have to pause and again start from the same number and go reverse. This will come with practice, but all I want to say is to visualize your dream. You have to sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and just think about what you want. In case um let me give you the same example. If you're looking for a dream house. समझ लो आपको चाहिए like a bungalow, okay? So just close your eyes and just visualize that you're opening the door, and you're just looking around the ceiling and be happy about it. Like actually it is happening. Just look around, look at the huge ceiling that is there, look at the outdoor garden or the stairs that is gone up. Just look at your study room, look at the huge bed that you have, visualize all of those things, and just as little as jumping on your dream bed or your bed. Visualize all of these little things which and just get excited looking at yourself like you're enjoying all of these things. And it truly truly works. The whole motive is to rewire your brain and make sure that n- everything is aligned and your vision and your goal is up straight. So that's extremely important. So that was the number 2. So the next one is recite 3 affirmation aloud. Now this you can do it when you are brushing your teeth or you're just walking or when you're in your shower. Wherever you are, you have to recite 3 affirmation aloud, and this would be based on what you exactly want in life. For example, if you are someone who wants money, right? So you can say that money flows into my life effortlessly. So this was like simple thing, simple affirmation that I have said. You can do that. You can also say something in terms of your health, that my body feels extremely happy and energetic. You can also say that you can recite 3 affirmation every single day while you're brushing, when you're in your shower, like I've told you before. And this is also a game changer as it helps the brain to rewire and helps you and gives you clarity about life. The next one is very very important, which is create a action plan for your goal. Now you have a vision, but you cannot be just putting things there and not doing anything. You need to put in your efforts, right? So you have to create a plan on how you want to achieve it. Like for example, I had a vision this year that I am going to start YouTube and I'm going to be very very consistent, which I am pretty much. And then in the month of October, I decided that I'm going to post 2 videos long form every week. And then I decided that to grow on YouTube, I have to put in that a little bit of hard work and put in 3 videos. So I put like 3 videos each week on my YouTube because I want to grow. I have a vision of a certain number on YouTube, which I'm pretty sure I'm going to reach very, very soon. So you have to have your goal and write down all the action plans which will help you reach your vision. You cannot be just sitting and dreaming about it or not doing anything towards it. I can also think I need like a huge private jet, but just sitting here is not going to help, right? I have to work towards it. And all these things that you do, like sitting down and meditating and creating a vision board, all of those helps you calm yourself, because then it's like a detoxification where you're not with your phone, nothing, you just with yourself, which is so so important. And creating these action plans will help you, will tell you on what exactly you have to do to to reach your goal. The next one is ask the universe to give you some kind of signal. Like for example, if I'm ever stuck and I need some answers, you won't believe, but this does happen, that whenever I'm stuck in some of the goals, for example, if I feel that something that I had planned is not working out and I'm about to give up, I always see 11 11. I don't know how, I don't know why, and trust me, I am not lying. I always see 11 11, and I feel that it is a sign that do not give up right now. You are about to reach your goal. So just move forward. And So just when you're meditating, just tell the universe to give you signs, any signs, and when you get the sign, uh, just know that everything is falling in place. Next one is write a letter to yourself. Now, what you have to do is sit down, take a pen and paper, write down a letter to your future self. For example, if you have vision that you have started your own business, you can write down, "Hi Bernie, I thank you so much. I am at a very very great space right now. My business have bloomed. I'm earning so and so, and thank you so much, universe, for everything. I'm so so grateful. I've been planning to, I have been putting so much of hard work over the years, and everything have worked in my favor. So thank you so much. I'm very very grateful. So you can write everything in present tense, but being in the future as if you have already achieved it, and this will again help you rewire your brain. The whole concept of manifestation is to rewire your brain so that your brain actually knows what place or what is your driving force, or what is the vision and which path you have to take to reach your goals. The next one is practice patience and trust the process. I see a lot of people, whenever I speak about it, always question, when will it happen? How will it happen? It is just that you should just trust, you should have the belief, you should have patience, and just trust the process. You only have to do what you can, and everything else just leave to the universe, leave to that one energy, and it is going to take care of that. People do, you know they actually use this for good 21 days and 30 days, but as soon as they realize that this is not happening, because everybody wants like quick solution, they actually end up um giving up, and then it doesn't work. You really need to have that belief and just trust the process, and it is going to work wonders for you. And the last one is review your vision board. All I would like to tell you is, in case you have made a vision board in 2024, go back to the vision board and see what all you have accomplished. I'm sure you would have accomplished at least one thing. Either you can make a new vision board for 2025, or do a little modification in your previous vision board. That is something that you can do, and also stick the same, I mean the new vision board next to that, and then you can either do some modification or create a new vision board. But just make sure that you review your vision board to understand that things are happening. On a larger perspective, I also had a vision this year that every quarterly I am going to travel to some city, like a new city in India, and I did that. I went to Delhi, and then I went to, it doesn't come, I went to Delhi, then I went to um Goa, then Mangalore, then Kollam, then Kerala, then Kanyakumari, then I went to Bangalore, I went to Mysore. Yeah, I went to all of these places. Like, I think it should have been four cities, but I've already covered more than seven cities till now, and I'm so so grateful. Never in my head I would have imagined, but all I did was I just put it because it was something that I really, really wanted to do. And when I looked at the vision board, I was like, man, I just wanted to go to four places, and I've already covered seven, and it was so, so cool and crazy. And then I understood that I never questioned how it is going to be. All I did was trusted the universe, trusted my energy, trusted the energy, and everything just was put right in front of me. And I'm so, so grateful. And with this, I really hope that this helped you. And if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and also comment if you have been manifesting something, and if it has come true, even the tiniest of thing or the major of thing, so that other people also get inspiration from it, uh, just grow and let the other person grow. Just stay positive, trust the process, and just believe in yourself. Do not question, do not overthink, and it is going to really really help you. And with that, let's end the video, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye. So much love. Love, love.